What's so funny, TSM?
I know you heard about Tay East, Tay East, Tay East. The food was up when you were around Tay East, Tay East, Tay East. I know you heard about Tay East, Tay East, Tay East. The food was up when you were around Tay East, Tay East, Tay East.
Hey y'all, what's up? How is everyone doing, y'all? I don't really like my setup today. I hope it works for y'all. Okay, I'm gonna go back to my other setup because I feel like I like that one more better. But we just gonna deal with this today because I'm hungry. I'm ready to eat, and we got Wingstop, my favorite. We got the good old ranch. We got a few corn that I ate and baby boy ate some too. Okay, and then I got my favorite wings. Y'all already know habanero, mango habanero is my favorite. Period. There's no other flavor right now on the market. Um, and I got me some Parmesan because y'all already know I done seen some type of TikTok and I seen the lady dipping the ranch with the Parmesan and she ate it. So I want to try it too, y'all. So let's get into it. How's everyone doing? Did I say that already? Yeah, y'all. What's up, y'all? I'm hungry. I ain't ate. I ain't ate, y'all. How everybody feeling? How everybody living? And we gonna try this little TikTok thing. She did it with lemon pepper wings, but I'm gonna do it with hot mango habanero because that's what I like. Lemon pepper cool too, but my favorite. Ooh shit. My favorite is Look y'all. See that? That's good. That's my little cord board. I put a cord board to prop the board up. I said this is my first time trying the corn, y'all. I already tried it in the car. Why they corn be dry though? It be looking like mad dry. And it is dry. And I've been seeing everybody eat the corn. I don't know if I get this again. Cause it's too dry. Yeah. Have y'all ever stopped talking to somebody because either one, they was negative or they was just terrible for your life, and they get mad because you stop talking to them. Have y'all ever had that happen before? To me, that's so weird. If I stop talking to you, it's a reason why I stopped talking to you. Like, y'all hear my stomach growling? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Like, I don't want to be abused anymore. Like, I got every right to stop. They get mad because now they can't abuse you or use you anymore. People got the nerve, don't they? People got the nerve, honey. The nerve of you. I don't want your energy anymore. And you're upset. You're mad. Like, really? And then to try to call you out and say you use them for this and you use them for that. Mm, it's straight. If y'all don't do nothing else, set boundaries with people. I'm probably smacking all up in y'all ear, huh? Set boundaries with people, man. Start telling people no. No, I can't do this. No, I can't. No, I can't give you no money. No, I can't. No, I can't take you nowhere. No, I can't help you do this. No. No, 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 no. Cause it's not. And we saying no and we not feeling guilty about saying no. That's exactly what I said. I said no and I'm not feeling guilty. I'm moving on. I'm not fit to think about my no. No is no. Period. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'm telling you, because people will use you. People will use you so they can't use you no more, and then get mad when you say no because they can't use you no more. Like, wow, really? Like, I didn't caught on to you. So now I'm done with you. So now no. But they get mad. I can never understand that. Sorry, y'all, I'm smacking. I'm all up in the mic. I hope it ain't too bad. I see why you gotta dip this in the ranch, because it's dry. If you don't dip it in the ranch, you'll be eating some hard kernels. Y'all, I tried to dye my hair, right? And this is not the color that, I mean, it is the color, kind of the color that I wanted. But I wanted it to be a darker, I mean, not darker, but like just all over one color. I didn't want it to be like, see how it's like, how, what you call that? Y'all know what I'm talking about. You see how it is? Like, I want it to be like all like a ginger color. And I was watching this girl on YouTube. And I knew I had to bleach my hair. Like, I knew I had to bleach my hair, but I didn't bleach it. And this is how it came out. So, after I get done with this video, I'm going to bleach it. And and then I'm going to dye it. Because I want it to be like a real ginger color for the new year, y'all. I sure do. I want to get like just like a new look. And then, y'all, I tried to do my eyebrows like ginger. But I got to put it on there longer. I'm going to try to do my eyebrows too. I'm just doing something, y'all. Don't talk about me if it look ugly. Don't talk about me if it look ugly. I'm getting there, y'all. We setting boundaries. We letting go of people. Females, we letting go of broke dudes. Okay? 2023, we letting go of broke dudes. And broke dudes that's in my comments, don't be mad. Because them the only ones that's going to be in my comments talking mess. It's because they broke and they mad. Cardi B said it best. Broke boys don't get no pussy. I know that's right. If they broke, they don't get none. Ladies, they don't get none. If he ain't got no job, he ain't succeeding in some type of way, he got some type of accomplishments, May leave that man alone. Leave that man alone because all he gonna do is make you mad. You gonna be titled as an angry woman, and he's gonna make your life miserable, and you probably gonna make his miserable because he's not the person you want him to be. Ladies, we're gonna start just being by ourselves and doing our own thing. If somebody don't have at least what you got, please leave the dusty, crusty, busted, disgusted man alone. Boy alone, whoever. Leave him alone. Please, honey. Cause no ma'am. Mm-hmm. For real. We're not doing it this year. No, ladies, we're not doing it. Mm-mm. We ain't begging nobody to be with us. If you don't want to be with us, deuces, kick rocks. We not crying on the phone. We ain't doing none of that. That's what I'm saying. Like always, keep your body right. Stay looking good. Stay on top of your game. Because at any time he act crazy, you can level up, and get you somebody else better. The only reason they had you the way they had you is because, for one, you think you can't get nobody else, which you can. And don't let me tell you too, oh, you got 5 kids. Ain't nobody gonna want you. That's a lie. That's a lie. Cause men love to play that game on you. Like, oh, you got a child. Ain't nobody gonna want you. No, it's men out here that's marrying women who got 5 kids. Okay? And I ain't talking about no sorry men. I'm talking about some real good men out here that are marrying women with kids, okay? You can manifest anything you want. Anything you want, you can manifest. Don't let nobody tell you different. Don't settle. Don't settle. Shit, I wish I wouldn't have did that years. Don't settle. That's another one. All right, you guys. I don't want this to be too long. So, Happy New Year, you guys. And I will see y'all in the next one. Peace.